Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda TRX450R. This open class sport quad just arrived with many upgrades, including $2,000+ worth of upgraded suspension. It's got an extra set of wheels with sand tires, Yoshi exhaust, kickstart only. This bike is for experienced riders. Come on by and make your badass quad dreams come true for just $44.99. No financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.